Hello everyone, welcome back to Burnt and Delicious. Today we are going to bake in air fryer. Yes, you heard that right. We are going to bake using air fryer. This sounds really interesting, right? Let's get started. So here we have a half box of pumpkin bread mix, half cup of water, 4 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 large egg. Okay, that's a small amount of avocado oil. We have to lightly grease the Ninja glass bowl. Carefully pour the butter into the glass bowl. Alright, looks nice and ready to be baked. Good. All right. From what I can see that the top is cooked evenly, but the bottom it's still not. So what we're gonna do, the best way to fix that, we have to flip our pumpkin bread. Let's do this. I flipped the pumpkin bread, and as I mentioned that the bottom is not cooked. We cleaned our Ninja bowl glass, and now we are going to use this thing at the bottom to make sure that air is flowing evenly. Great, so it's ready for the next round. We are going to bake it for 20 minutes, I guess. The mode is bake, temperature 300, and the time is 20 minutes. It looks much better now. I didn't want to use the cooking paper for that, so I thought maybe the glass will be sufficient. I think it's not a problem just to flip it over, wash the glass and return it back. Great, it looks delicious and it's fully cooked. That's it, our delicious baked in air fryer pumpkin bread is ready. Thank you everyone for watching Burnt and Delicious. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the like button and leave a comment below. Please let me know what did you also bake in air fryer. Your support means a lot. See you on the next one.